Hey guys, what is up, welcome back to a new video. So, if you've installed Windows 10 and you're getting an infinite loading screen that looks like this, just keeps loading and loading forever, seems like nothing's ever going to happen, and most likely, nothing will happen, especially if your little hard disk drive, little light on your laptop slash computer is just blinking once every second or so. It just seems like it's idling forever. Or if you have a black screen that looks a little bit like this after you've loaded in past the Windows logo, or before it, during it, whenever it happens, it's just a black screen and it stays there forever. The other thing is the infinite restart loop, where Windows asks you to download an update, or it doesn't, it just downloads it anyway. Asks you to restart, you restart, comes to this little logo, you get past it, installing Windows updates, and then it either says that it's failed or that it needs to restart. It will restart your computer either way, and it will go back to the logo and keep saying installing updates, or just say updates failed, installing updates failed, forever. I have only got this error with two things, which is the Oculus runtime, which isn't designed to run with Windows 10, but I installed it anyway. It gave me this error because the drivers were outdated and they weren't designed to work with Windows 10. Also, the KB3081438, the update from this week, can actually cause this, so a lot of people are actually going to get this error, which is why I'm making this video, for you guys to know how to fix it. Normally when you reach something like this, you might feel the need to reinstall Windows completely. I made this mistake the first time, and it's a lot of effort. I wish I knew about this earlier, that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, and yeah. So, basically what you need to do, when you reach this Windows logo, while you're booting up your PC, you're going to need to cut the power completely. If you're using a laptop, pull out the battery, and pull out the power supply. If you're using just a normal PC, either there should be a button somewhere on it, you can hold down the power button for 5 to 10 seconds, it should shut off, or you can just pull out the plug. Either way, the screen will go black, restart it once again, you might see the logo once again. If you do and there's no text underneath it, you'll have to hit the power again. Now, this is the third time that you're booting into your PC, it should say preparing automatic repair. Now, once you reach this, you'll have to wait until it completes with this little loading thing. It'll go black, wait a couple of seconds, 2 minutes, you'll see a little window flash. If it's still black, just wait and it should say diagnosing your PC. Wait for that to complete. This is at 4 times real time, so it does take quite a while. Once you get past that, you'll find a screen that says automatic repair. You'll need to hit advanced options, troubleshoot, and then advanced options once again, and then startup settings. Now, once you're in here, you'd have to click restart. It'll restart your PC. You'll see a similar blue screen with the numbers 1 to 9, I think. You'd have to hit number 4, or whichever one says safe mode. Once you're inside of safe mode, you can go ahead and try and uninstall the update yourself, or if you installed a program that made this occur and you know which one it is, or if you installed a driver, or whichever program caused this. If you installed anything before you got this problem, go ahead, uninstall that, restart your PC. If it didn't work, restart twice, and then you'll end up back in this menu where you'll have to click advanced options once again, and once you're inside of it, you will have to go to troubleshoot, where then you'll have to head to advanced options, and this time you'll have to go to command prompt. Then you'll see this little black box that is labeled cmd.exe. Type in C:, and then type in dir. If you see program files 86 if you're using 64-bit Windows, or if you see Windows, any one of those files like you see now, if they pop up, you will be on the right drive. If you're not, you'll have to type D:, and then type dir again. And if you see all of these files here, program files 86 if you're using 64-bit, and then Windows. Basically what you're going to need to do now, once you've found the right drive, is type cd/windows/system32/config. Once you're inside of it, type md backup. This will make a new folder for backups so that we can not mess up anything. And in case we do, you can always roll back, and then you'll be able to go back to where you were before we actually fixed this problem. Then once you're inside of it and you've done the md backup, you'll have to type copy *** space backup. There's a space between copy and ***. It'll copy 9 files, or 10, 11, depending on your how many files there are. There should be around 9 or 10. Once you're done with that, type cd space regback. Once you've done that, type dir once again, and you'll see a whole bunch of things pop up with the little numbers next to them. Now, if any of these numbers are 0, like I have got them here, you won't be able to continue with this process. If they have got numbers next to them which aren't equal to 0, you can continue with the next step. Now, this is a virtual machine, so it has absolutely nothing on it. It's a fresh install of Windows. I'm just doing this to show you guys how to solve it on your main PC. I had this problem on my main Windows computer, but I managed to fix it using this. If none of them are 0, you can type copy space star dot star space dot dot. So copy star dot star space dot dot. Once you're in here, you'll have to type A to copy all of them and overwrite them. I'm not actually going to do this, so I'm just going to type N for all of them. But if you haven't got any numbers that are equal to 0, go ahead, do the star dot star space dot dot, hit enter. Once you started copying and everything, you'll have to hit A and then hit enter once again. It'll copy all the files, overwrite them, and then you can go ahead and type exit, hit enter, it'll close the CMD, then you can hit shut down your PC. Now this will take a while, this is 6 times speed. It'll take a while to start up also, so don't be worried, it should be starting up. You'll reach a black screen that'll last maybe about 5 minutes. Don't worry, this will only happen once, and once you get past that, you'll be greeted with the familiar login screen where you can go ahead, put in your password, and you will be greeted then after that with your desktop and everything else all intact. Basically, this will not delete any of your files like a system restore might. All your programs and files should still be there. There'll be no errors, and it should actually fix this, and it might actually improve your performance slightly. One thing that I have noticed is that if you have a custom visualizer for something like Windows Media Player installed, I had a custom one installed for some reason, and that seemed to disappear after I did this. But you know, you always gotta do little small things. I can always go download it once again, but I really don't think it does any more to your PC besides fixing it. This is a permanent fix, so you shouldn't ever get this again unless you install drivers or whatever you installed last time once again. And if you get the problem again, you can just go through these steps again, and then you'll be able to use your PC like normal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you all in the next video. Bye.